is Shae. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a fall night routine for you. I had to swap up my night routine because I moved into a new place and I figured it was the perfect time to share this with you guys. I'm super excited. I have so many videos in mind that I'm currently recording and working on editing. So if you guys want to stay tuned and see what I have in store, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can be the first to see it. And if you guys like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see more of my content. I love hearing feedback from you guys. Cool, let's go. Roll the tape. So on a regular day, I usually get home from school around 5:30 and I'm pretty tired, so the first thing I do is I'll put my purse down and go into the kitchen to get all of the housework done that I need to do for the day. Usually I like to start off with the dishes because those definitely are not my favorite, but I'll just unload the dishes and then load any dishes that are sitting in the sink that I feel like need to be washed that night. I don't like leaving stuff in the sink. It drives me insane. I kind of think I'm a clean freak, but it's okay. So right here, I'm just scrubbing everything off because I feel like it just cleans better in the dishwasher if you clean any remaining food off first. Then I'll just pick up the kitchen and then I'll spray everything down and make sure I wipe everything, especially around the sink. I feel like that's one of the dirtiest areas, and it's always nice waking up to a clean place, am I right? After that, I'll usually go upstairs once I have everything done downstairs I need to do. The first thing I do is I go into the bathroom and brush my teeth when I get home. I feel like my teeth just feel really gross after a long day, and I like to clean up a little bit when I get back because I've been touching people all day, breathing in people's faces, you know, esthetician things. Terrible. Love that. After I'm done brushing my teeth, I'll just put my hair up, and usually I take a shower, but tonight I decided to take a bath. I usually take a bath when I want to relax a little bit, and I usually light a candle. Tonight I just lit the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow one. This smells so good. It's my favorite. And then after I get out, I'll just put on some pajamas. My shirt is from H&M and my shorts are from PacSun, and I'll go into the laundry room. I try to get all of my laundry set so that the next day I can just take it out and kind of keep it moving because I hate doing laundry. And then as soon as I'm done with that, I just usually go into the little office room. I'm still trying to set it up, so please don't mind the background, but I'll usually just get into my school bag and get out my laptop and my books. And then the first thing I work on is I try to edit any videos or get any of my social media stuff done that I need to work on for that night. And then as soon as I'm done, I usually jump into my homework. I usually am assigned 1 to 2 chapters a week, so I spend a lot of my time at home doing homework, trying to make sure I'm kept up with everything. And then after that, I'll just put my books away and I will usually go to bed. I usually take my makeup off, so yeah, don't judge. Do not sleep in your makeup. It is really bad for you. But yeah, that's pretty much my night routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.